Today's video is going to be a short one because I don't like wasting people's time. We all know how good oatmeal is for you, but let's be honest, it's really bland. So today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy 5-ingredient cookie dough overnight oatmeal with chocolate chips. Tastes really good, 70 grams of protein. Start by adding 30 grams of chocolate protein to a bowl or container, followed by 30 grams of vanilla protein and 32 grams of peanut powder. Then you want to add 4 tablespoons of water. Start mixing it and add more water as necessary until you get a very runny and drippy consistency. If you're using casein powder like I am, use more. If you're using just whey, less. As always, my friend, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. You want to get this drippy, runny consistency so the oats have something to absorb. To this, of course, you need to add 60 grams of oats. As I mentioned before, you want it drippy, you want it runny so that the oats will have some liquid to absorb as they're sitting there overnight, or else you're going to get cement. Make sure to incorporate all of the oats into your liquid and then add 15 grams of chocolate chips. You could omit this, of course, but let's be honest, it's not really cookie dough without chocolate chips, is it? Mix it into your batter, give it a nice mix so that they're spread out evenly. If you're using a bowl like me, put some cling film over it so you can store in the refrigerator. If you did this directly in the Tupperware, just cover it. Either method is fine. Honestly, you just want to make sure you wrap it up nice and tight. Take it out of your refrigerator the next morning and look at how thick that is. Nice chocolate peanut butter flavor with the chocolate chips. Really thick consistency. Look how it sticks to the spoon. Such a great way to start your day, as I mentioned before, with over 70 grams of protein. Great tasting, sweet, an amazing way to incorporate oatmeal into your breakfast. Now for the macros, this bad boy has 72 grams of protein, 58 grams of carbs, 15 grams of fat, 662 calories. This is such a filling breakfast. It's going to keep you full throughout the morning and power your workouts. And there you have it, the overnight cookie dough oatmeal, an amazing way to add oats to your diet. Chocolate chip, peanut butter, chocolate, vanilla. The mixture is just an explosion of flavor in your mouth. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. Make sure to check out my other videos if you haven't. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to keep doing this content, and have a wonderful day.